Digiscoping harbor seals with MagView on the Oregon coast. Note the ease of attaching the phone to the spotting scope using the MagView Digiscoping adapter. For some, it does take a little practice. Using our MagView app will help. It locks the camera lens and provides an alignment dot so you can quickly learn to attach the phone with speed and ease. Note, you can also lock your lens in the camera settings if you have a telephoto lens for more magnification without using the app. I am using my MagView Digiscoping adapter to attach my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to my Maven S3A 20x40 power spotting scope. While viewing the seals, I started to explore the cove with my spotting scope and noticed the colorful rocky face and two waterfalls that I hadn't noticed with the naked eye. Using the footage captured with the camera phone, you can digitally stabilize and zoom in and use video software for even a closer look. Google Photos has a free app that you can stabilize your footage as long as it's not too shaky. There are many free apps that can help you zoom in, adjust color, crop, stabilize, even add music, and share with your friends and family. Harbor seals are a common sight along the Oregon coast, often seen lounging on sandy beaches and rocky shores. If you like the content you've seen and you want to learn more about MagView, be sure to like and subscribe and comment below. More details in the description. Please sit back and enjoy the rest of the footage.